Welcome to beautiful Sunday morning in Ghana, guys. I'm in Ghana. I want to show you guys what people have for breakfast. I want to show you guys. Watch it. Oh my God, guys. What finished creating content today. I met a gentleman. He works with, it's like an investor, like not entrepreneur. So he does data. So I know most of you in Ghana, you struggle to get data, or you buy data but it's expired 30 days. Like for example, me living in the UK, when I buy data, I want my data to stay till I return back. And if you're watching from the UK or USA, this guy, what I'm going to show you today, you can buy your data, you don't have to worry. You travel to your USA, Canada, Dubai, you come back, your data still there after 90 days. Well, I met this gentleman after we eating waakye, and I will try to display the details on the video. If you want to contact, please do contact him. I just want to play a little bit disclaimer. I haven't been paid to post this, so whatever you do here is at your own risk. But I met this gentleman. I will show you guys shortly. Yeah, thank you very much. So he's going to send me this data to my MTN SIM. Then we're going to test it, and you know, like, because we run an Airbnb, and I'll put the data in, and if it works, guys, bingo.
If it goes very well, like every week I can supply with 10 gig.
Nice one. Bon appetit! Oh guys, this is what we bought from Mr. Blinks. We just by the roadside, and you know what? This is how we eat waakye in Ghana. You know, I always try to show you guys like the authentic side of Ghana. Well guys, if you did enjoy this video, do us a favor, like the video, share on Facebook, share everywhere, share with people who are coming to Ghana, who want to like experience authentic side of Ghana. Well, bon appetit, mirum. Yendidi.
Yo.
Oh, boss, do you eat?
Oh, no. Yo.
Oh, you won't go separate?
Oh, no. That's my friend.
For the waakye they be me I come
the waakye
they be. So guys, look, this is Mr. Blink's waakye, special waakye. God bless. Hey, yummy. So see so. Wele. This is wele. Cow skin.
Yeah.
Cow skin.
I don't know devil.
Big cow skin. Wele.
Yeah, cow skin. This one eating leather.
Have you eaten leather before, guys? We eat.
Very good.
So you have to boil it like so many hours to get it to this stage, right? Yeah. You see, that's a live bushbank right here. God bless. Thank you, bro. God bless. Thank you, man. Charlie, guys, so while we're here, I still want to show you guys how Ghanaian authentic waakye look like. While I met Fatao here, Fatao just went to order the authentic Mr. Blink's waakye, guys. Look at that. You can't miss wole, waakye, talia, in salad, and meat. Hey! Charlie, look, when you come to Ghana, explore, eat in a restaurant, wake up early morning, you know, go to places like this and eat. Guys, I don't want to share you guys so much. I'm just going to dive in and enjoy this food. Thank you so much for watching. from Thank𝙔𝙤𝙪 Well guys, I'm going to have my fufu and a light soup, palm nut soup with some amazing goat's meat and salmon. So guys, this is how we pound fufu in Ghana. So this is the pestle, this is the mortar, and this is the fufu banchana, cassava and plantain. So guys, see, this is a typical Ghanaian chopper, like where you see the authentic food. Like
hot fingers,
eh? You hear that? I will put a name and a description. So if you want a delivery, if you're in the Airbnb and you want to order, you just call and they'll deliver to you guys. Hot fingers. Catch on hot fingers.
Give me a 5 please.
authentic food. Well, I'll definitely see you guys in the next video. Make sure you come here and try yourself. Thank you. See you in the next one.